Now, the Bangladesh Supreme Court has reinstated the political registration of Jamaat-e-Islami, which is one of the largest Islamist parties in Bangladesh. They have overturned a 2013 High Court ruling that barred Jamaat-e-Islami from participating in elections. Now, this reversal allows Jamaat-e-Islami to contest elections. This marks a significant shift in Bangladesh's political landscape. But does this come as a surprise? Mr. Shoaib, does this come as a surprise? Because we know the role that Jamaat is playing. We also know how Jamaat has been supporting Yunus, the Mohammed Yunus regime, how there were talks between, Yunus, his advisors and the Jamaat after the army chief in Bangladesh, warned Yunus and asked him to, ensure that elections are held by December. So does this come as a surprise?
Tagore ji, first of all, as I have stated, that my country has been held hostage by US deep state in Pakistan and ISI elements. And it's not a matter of surprise because it is actually Pakistan on play in Bangladesh. They want to turn Bangladesh into Pakistan again. So under this scenario, with Yunus, a mercenary in the helm of the so-called chief advisor's position, Jamaat registration will be restored. Naturally, Sheikh Hasina will be tried. Naturally, because this is not Bangladesh that we are seeing. This is a country hijacked by Pakistan. Otherwise, as you have mentioned, that Lashkar-e-Taiba was behind the jihadi school last year, and now they are saying they are opening branch in Bangladesh. So this is a country where terrorists are all around. The ICT itself comprises all Jamaat leaders and Hizbut Tahrir leaders. It's no surprise. Yunus will try to do everything that he can, but as I mentioned, his days are numbered. There is going to be military action anytime in Bangladesh, definitely by June, and Yunus will be ousted because for the sake of sovereignty of Bangladesh, for the sake of national security of my country, army has no other options but to immediately oust Yunus and his entire gang and liberate this country, free this country from the evil clutches of Pakistani ISI and the enemies of Bangladesh.
Shinjoy, this development, the fact that Jamaat is now legal, it can contest elections. Do you think this is a systematic return of radical politics under the garb of reconciliation? Now, think about it. What if Jamaat gains ground politically Bangladesh? What will it mean for the entire region? What will it mean for India?
First of all, it will be bad for Bangladesh. And the people of Bangladesh know that. See, religion was never an issue. When Sheikh Mujib launched his campaign, he said something very clearly. He said, we are not Hindus, we are not Muslims, and we are not Christians. We are Bengalis. That point was always made by Sheikh Mujib. Whatever you say, Sheikh Hasina kept that promise. And there was that very secular air in Bangladesh, and as a result, the Jamaat was banned. Now, you find the Jamaat returning, and that raises questions about how Bangladesh is going to turn out. I'll give you one example. The fact that a monument in honor of Rabindranath Tagore, who wrote the national anthem of Bangladesh, has been defaced. What does that tell you? Do the people who did that, do they see Tagore as a man who wrote their national anthem, as a Bengali, or do they see him just for his religious affiliation? Now, when someone does that, that automatically causes worry and raises questions.
Right. Thank you both, Srinjoy Chaudhary and Mr. Shoaib, for joining us on this broadcast and breaking down the implications of the latest developments in Bangladesh.